Hello everyone, my name is Amar Rathore and I am going to take you through version 9 of CounterSnipe. What's new in version 9? First of all, version 9 uses Suricata 301. Suricata 301 is the latest IDS engine by OISF. If you want to know more about Suricata 301 itself or Suricata itself, you can just Google Suricata, S-U-R-I-C-A-T-A. Other than saying it's a very modern multi-threading IDS engine, and it's fast. It does data analysis, traffic analysis, very fast. Okay, version 9. Version 9 has number of new features, features designed to enhance, to speed up the deployment, and also enhance the workings and the security of your network. First of all, you get the dashboard as usual. You have the aggregate position here. You can click on analysis and go to the analysis of your entire network. You also have the each sensor position here below that. So the first thing that version 9 has is, if I go to here, view, it has this learn operation, improved learn operation. There are two options in learn operation. You have auto rule disablement. In auto rule disablement, what you do is you enable all of the rules by going to classifications here and just saying set to alert. Once you've set them to alert, you go back to the sensors and then you click view here and then you go to learn and then you let the system run for a day or 2 days, and then you come here and do auto rule disablement, and that will disable all of the rules that are unnecessarily alerted on. The other one is auto rule enablement. In auto rule enablement, what you do is you don't have any of these to alert, so you keep them all disabled, and then you go back to the sensor and then you let the system run for a few days, and then you come here and then you choose auto rule enablement, and that way it will enable the right rule set for your network, for your exact network, and that way it basically speeds up the whole process of in assets we've created an extended search filter. So what that allows you to do is it allows you to go to the quick search, and then here you can type any filter, anything. Say if I want internal network, I can do internal network, and then I can just go click on submit, and that will give me all of the internal assets. And then I can add them all to groups, and I already did add them to the group. So if I take a group of assets, I can scan the group. I can also schedule scan the group, and that way that keeps an eye on that asset group for you in the longer term. It also makes sure that the asset position is, or asset state is, always updated, so that when it comes to alert management here, the alert management takes into account the current state of the asset, so that it can correlate the IDS event with the asset's current position. We also created an asset discovery based alerting. Here, what you can do is actually you can have an asset control. You can upload a MAC address list, which I won't do right now, but you can actually browse it, pick up a file, upload that file, and that will give you here a MAC address list, and that would be your allowed MAC address list on your network. That prevents from unknown MAC addresses, unknown systems hardware to actually access your network. We've also enhanced the reports. In reports, we have actually created these additional options where you can create summary, current, weekly, or monthly asset report. You can also have the scanned results. So you can say, okay, give me the report on internal assets and their scanned results. So it will show you what applications are running, what services are running, what ports are open, and so on. That is it. Those are the 3 or 4 key things that we did in version 9. They are designed, one, to speed up the deployment of our systems on your network, and 2, to actually enhance the event management, the alert management better. Behind the scenes, we've actually done a lot of speed updates, a lot of management issues, a lot of database handling. All of that is in the background. The easiest way to take a closer look at what else we've got in there is to actually trial the product out. So if you go to our website, www.countersnipe.com, and then you have a button. Just click trial it now, or trial the software, and then you can go on and trial it. That is it. Thank you. I've taken 5 minutes, not 3 actually, but thank you for bearing with me.